Chicken teriyaki. Ingredients: 1½ seawater, 1 cup rice, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 pound chicken breast, cut into bite-sized pieces, 3 cup broccoli, chopped, 1 green pepper, chopped, 1 onion, chopped, 3 carrots, sliced, 1 cup teriyaki sauce. Instructions: combine rice and water in a medium saucepan and bring to a boil. Simmer, covered over medium-low heat for 15 minutes. Remove from heat and let set, covered for 5 minutes before serving. Heat the oil in a wok or large, non-stick frying pan. Add the chicken and brown over high heat for 2-3 minutes. Add the veggies and sauté for 2-3 minutes. Add sauce and simmer until thickened, stirring constantly, 3-5 minutes. Serve over steamed rice.